2012 Chevy Cruze LS 1.8 tune-up. First, you remove the black plastic cover. Once the black cover is removed, move the orange tab. Next, remove the two Torx bolts, T40. Once you remove your two Torx bolts, remove the coil. Sit it to the side, don't sit it on the battery. Then use your 5/8 socket to remove each spark plug. As you can see, my plugs were in very bad shape, cracked, and they're the wrong plugs. These are the plugs that you want to use. Do not cheap out. Next step, install your spark plug into each cylinder. Be careful not to bend the tip. Iridiums are very sensitive. Hand tighten first. When your plugs are snug by hand, you want to use your torque wrench and set them to 18 foot-pounds. Once you torque the spark plugs to 18 foot-pounds, reinstall ignition coil. Make sure that the springs are not bound up. Next, install your two T40 bolts. And tighten. Once you fully tighten your two T40 bolts, you can plug your connector back into your coil pack. Once you hear the click, push in the orange tab. Once all that is done, reinstall your Ecotech cover. Slide it in the corner first and